In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ER diagrams in drawio. We'll begin by opening your browser and heading to draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. When the editor loads, focus on the left panel. That's your shape library, and we'll tailor it for entity relationship modeling. Scroll to the very bottom of that left panel and click the plus more shapes button. This opens a window where you can enable specialized libraries. In the software section, find and check the box labeled entity relation. This adds the ER-specific tables and connectors you'll need. Click apply to confirm, and you'll see new options appear back in the left panel. Now expand the entity relations section in that panel. You'll find table shapes and connectors designed for ER diagrams. Drag a table shape onto the canvas to create your first entity. Repeat for as many entities as you need. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. You can move and align everything later. To label your design, double-click the table name area to rename the entity, and double-click each attribute line to add fields. Define keys directly in the table by marking the primary key and any foreign keys using the indicators included with the ER shapes. Keeping a clear distinction between keys and regular attributes will make your relationships easier to read. Next, add relationships using the connector lines from the entity relation library. Choose the connector that reflects your cardinality, such as one-to-many, many-to-many, or one-to-one. Drag the connector from one entity toward another and let it snap to the edge or a connection point. Snapping ensures that the line stays attached when you reposition tables, which keeps your diagram tidy as it evolves. If you need similar entities, save time by duplicating. Hold Control on Windows or CMD on macOS and drag an existing table to create a copy with the same formatting. Alternatively, click a table, hover to reveal the blue arrows, and use them to create connected duplicates while maintaining relational flow. For clarity and consistency, open the Style tab on the right panel with a connector or shape selected. Here you can adjust line weight, color, and endpoints to match your preferred notation, such as crow's foot ends for cardinality. Consistent styling improves readability, especially in larger diagrams, and helps stakeholders quickly interpret relationships. That's it. By enabling the ER library, placing and naming your entities, drawing connectors with accurate cardinality, snapping lines to edges, duplicating efficiently, and refining styles, you can build clean, professional ER diagrams in draw.io with confidence.